Abraham. Say what's up, America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
I think I am back for you all. So in this video, what we will do? What did I tell you in the last video? Can you tell me? Yeah, I told you that I will tell you about ELIF statement. The last video was about if statement, and this ELIF statement is related to that if statement. So if you don't know about if statement, then please see my last video where I have told about if statement. Okay, guys. So let's start our this video. Now in this video, I'm gonna tell you about ELIF statement. Okay. So it happened to me a lot time that my mom told me to go grocery shops and to go vegetable shops and get some food. So what she used to tell me that go and get 1 kg rice. If the rice is of 50 rupees per kg, then get 1 kilo rice. And then if it is 80 rupees per kg, then get half a kg rice. And then if it is 100 rupees a kg, then get third rice of rupees 30 kg. So here she gave me three conditions, right? That if first one is true, then you have to follow that one only. Go and get 1 kg rice if it is of 50 rupees. And then she told me that if it is not of 50 rupees, it is more than 50 rupees, that is 80 rupees, then go and get half a kg rice. And then if this one condition is true, then you don't have to follow the third one condition. Then you just follow second one condition and get the rice. But if the second one condition is also false, you have to go on third one condition. Sorry, I have to go on third one condition, right? That if the rice is 100 rupees kg or more than 80 rupees kg, then I have to get the rice of 30 rupees kg. Then whatever rice the shopkeeper may give me, the rice may be uh, 300 grams or 200 grams. I don't know. It's just an example, guys. don't don't see me like this, okay? It's just an example. So here you can see that three conditions are there: first, second, and third. Okay. If first one is true, then I don't have to follow other two conditions. If first one is false, then I have to go on second one condition. And if the second one condition is true, then I don't need to go on third one condition. That means um, if I the rice is 50 rupees kg, then I don't have to go on other condition, that if the rice is 80 rupees per kg, or if the rice is 100 rupees per kg, I don't need to go on second and third condition. I will just follow first condition. But if the rice is not 50 rupees kg, that means the first condition evaluates to be false. Okay, then I have to go on second condition, that is if rice is 80 rupees per kg. But the thing is that if second condition also evaluates to be false, then I have to go on third one condition, that is if the rice is 100 rupees per kg. That means I have three conditions. Okay, and if any of those condition is true, then I don't have to follow the rest of the conditions. Now here the first if will remain the if in Python language, and the other if will become elif, that is else if. Okay, else if means elif in Python language. Now you must got an idea about what the elif statement should be. um, Let me give you an example. So I'll write if let's take the rice one example, that is I gave you. Okay, guys. So rice, sorry, well, if rice um, rice is equals to 50 kg. No, I can't write kg, so I will just write 50. Okay, then after that I will give a colon. Remember that colon is must. Then let's give it a statement. Yes, print um, buy 1 kg rice. Okay, guys, rice, guys, similar words. Okay, and then I'll give a backspace. That means I have gone 4 space back. So you can use tab also to get 4 space forward. Now I will write. Look, in my example, I have used if word 3 times, right? But here I will not use if word 3 times. I mean, you can use in your program. This is not compulsory that you use elif or else, but they are given to you, and it is my responsibility to tell you about them so that you can get a start about Python. So I will tell you about elif. Now here I will not write if, I will write elif. Elif uh, rise. Now this time greater than, I will use greater than. Okay, greater than equals to um no, greater than only, greater than 50, and um rise uh, less than, less than 100. Then after colon I have to, you have to give colon, remember, always remember, you have to give colon. Okay, then after 100 uh, print by, you have to write it in strings, add it to the sentence, by um, half kg, or write it as 500 gram rice. Okay, guys. Rice, guys. Okay, so now the third statement, that is L if. Again L if. Remember, we have to use if once in our block. Okay, guys, I'm using if only once in the beginning, and then I'm using L if for the same conditions. Not for the same condition, I mean for the same thing in different conditions. Okay, guys, L if rice is uh, greater than equals to 100. Then look, guys, it is written that 50, 50, 100, 100, these things are money. Okay, money, that is $100, 100 rupees, or 100 euros. It's up to your choice. Okay, guys, so now print uh, by um, rice for rupees 30. Okay, so our program is ready. No, no, not now. We have not given rice. Rice is here, conditional expression rice, right? Sorry, I told rice in place of right. Wow. Okay, now, so let's assign an input variable. Okay, so a is equals to int, as we will as a user will give an input in as an integer, so we have to use int. Okay, int function. Then raw input underscore input, sorry, underscore input. Then in strings, um, enter price, price, colon, and then again inverted comma. So now we are ready. Okay, guys. So let's save it. Control A S now, and I'm gonna run it. Okay, guys. Now I will press F5 to run it. Okay, I have a syntax error. But why? Control A S. Okay. Mm, I don't get it. Why it is giving an error? 50 must be in strings. Let me get it. Now I'm giving column. Now control AS. Again syntax error. That means in no. That means string is not a problem. So what is the problem? Hmm? Oh, I got it. Colon. So here it should come. Okay, guys, I got it. The print statement should come here. This was an indentation problem. That means white space problem. Okay, guys, I have told you about this, that white spaces means a lot because they will create problem in your program as they have created this time, right? So let's save it again, and I'm gonna run it. Okay, now what? Okay. um I'm gonna get a solution for it. Okay, guys, till then I'm gonna pause the recording. So I'm going to get a solution for this. Okay, I got this problem. The problem is that I didn't close this, the int function, right? I have closed input function, but I didn't close int function. I think this one is the problem, and now it should run. So control A, and then control F, and then F5. Oh god, yes, it got run. Now let's enter it. Okay, so I'm gonna write 50. What? Oh, right. Oh, sorry, guys. I must write here rice, RICE. I've written a, that means, but that means the right will be undefined here. So rice here is a variable. Here we have rice value. Now we should run it, and it should run now. Oh god, please. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna write 50. Yes. It got run. So now let's again do it. Let's do it again. F5. This time we will give it a value greater than 50. Okay, so let's give it a value 68. Yes, it got correct. As I have told that if the rice is equals to 50, print by 1 kg rice, and it written by 1 kg rice, right? And in the next time, I told that if the rice is greater than 50 and the rice is less than 100, by print by 500 gram rice, and it printed that by 500 gram rice. Now let's see for the third condition also. F5. Now I'm gonna give it a value greater than 100 this time. 10000. Throw. Cool. Oh yes, I've got it. Buy rice for 30 kg, and this is the thing I have written here. If the rice is greater than equal to 100, so our program is working. Okay guys, well, I think you must have got an idea about what elif statement is, but I want to tell you that you are not bound to use elif statement each time. Okay guys, if you don't want to use elif statement, or you hate to write too much, like why do I should write two letters extra when I am having if statement which contains only if then you can use if statement only, because I also do not like to use else statement because it confuses me a lot sometimes. Okay, so you are not bound to use else statement, but as you will make big programs, or you will start making big applications, then you will have to use this, as it will make your program easy, and it will make your program run faster, and it will make your program good looking too. Okay, because if someone need to fix your program, or if someone need to make changes in your program, then he or she should have knowledge about what you have written. So you must use elif statement, and there is also another statement, that is else statement. That about that I'm gonna tell you now only. So what an else statement is. Now I'm gonna add one more condition my mom gave, right? In the first condition, my mom told me that if the rice is 50 rupees per kg, then buy 1 kg rice. If the rice is more than 50 rupees per kg but less than 100 rupees per kg, then buy 500 gram rice. And if the rice is more than 100 rupees or equal to 100 rupees, then buy rice for 30 rupees. Now I'm gonna add one more condition. If the rice is one uh, 1000 rupees per kg, I know that is impossible, but 1000 rupees per kg rice. Just suppose, guys, okay? suppose, suppose that rice is 1000 rupees per kg. Then my mom will say, don't eat rice. We will not eat rice. It is so much costly. Well, well, then the print statement will be, do not buy dress, go to home. Okay, so let's do that. So here I have got four conditions. um Now I will use if statement for the first one condition, then I will use else statement for the second and third condition, and then I will use else statement for the last condition. Why else for last? Because we cannot use else statement after elif, sorry, before elif. Okay guys, else must be the last statement. And again, you are not bound to use else statement. You can use if statement there too. Okay, but this is official base, the which I'm telling you. So let's do this. So now let's do it. Else else will work as if, but it will indicate that this whole condition is gonna end at this. That means if nothing is true, if nothing is true, then this one condition will definitely true. And let's give it a condition. If, sorry, else rice, no, not else. Well, here you will just need to give it a colon. Okay guys, and here I'm gonna do some changes. And um rice is less than equals to 200, that means 200 rupees per kg. No, I told you 1000. Okay, good. 1000. Okay, So I've I've done some changes here in the third condition, and now in the last condition, the only one condition will remain. Condition will remain in the else statement. Okay, the final condition, the ultimate condition, which will be true at any cost if all the conditions are false. So now here I'm just gonna give it a colon and then I'm gonna enter it, and now I'm gonna print 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 yes, don't oh, wait a second. Okay, double inverted comma, now I can use it. Don't buy rice, go to home, stupid. Go to home, stupid. This one is nice. So let's save it and run it. There is an error in the EOL, error offline. Oh right, I didn't close it. I have to enclose it in double quoted commas. Now Control A, Control S, that is I have saved it, and now I'm gonna run it. Yeah, it got started, right? Now let's give the value 50. Okay, it worked well. Good boy, good boy. I'm gonna restart it again. Now this time I'm gonna give it a value 78, that is more than 50 and less than 100. Now let's see. Okay, good boy. This time also you're right. So now I'm gonna run it again, and this time I'm gonna wait. Okay, this time I'm gonna give a value from 100 to 1000. Let's give it a value 500. Okay, this time also. Okay, this program is cool. Okay, now the last condition will be less than 50 and greater than 1000. Okay guys, so let's do it, because I have not uh, declared here that if the rice is less than 50 or equal to 50, then it will print by 1 kg. I have told that if it is equal to 50, that is equal to 50, not less than. That's why I'm saying that if the rice is less than 50, then it will print this statement, and if the rice is greater than 1000, then also it will print this statement. So let's try it. F5. First of all, let's try less than 50, that is 43. Okay, right. Okay guys, you see guys, this statement came. Don't buy rice, go to home, stupid. Now let's see that it will work for this last one condition or not. F5. I'm gonna say 10 lakh. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, right. Now don't buy rice, go to home, stupid. Right, this time it also it is correct. Now I think you might have know what is the you wait a second guys. um Let me remember that. Should I tell you something more? um no. Well, I think you should have get a knowledge or get an idea about what else an else statement is and how you can use them, and that you don't need to use them for small programs, or you just have to use them for your own convenience, and you can still stick to the if statement, but I would prefer you to use elif and else statement, as it will very helpful for you in your future. um, so I think that this is enough for your basic videos. I mean, As a beginner, this much is enough for if, elif, and else statement. And after this, I'm gonna tell you about while loop. And you know what? It is very important for the gaming purpose. So, till then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay alive, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for me for my video, or for the content of my uh, video, then please give them in the comment box below. And any comment will be highly appreciated. I will read them and I will reply you. Okay, guys, that's my promise. And in the next video, I will tell you about while loop. So let's meet in the next video.